tentatively mentioned before my Lord the Chief Justice. Lord, if your Lordships can provide for some schedule of dates, because many things are yet to be filed. We have done our best, my Lord, to go as per, my Lord, your Lordship's formula, which is working very well. But, my Lord, written submissions, etc., my Lord, everything needs to be.
So
Now, as you know, we have prepared an SOP,
Yes.
so which we followed in Maharashtra and particularly very beautifully followed in Article 370. And it's an SOP dated 22nd August 2023, which sort of now basically the very same format which we followed. Mr. Dave was there, so attorney and solicitor were there, Mr. Siu Singh was there in Article 370. So if all of you can really prepare a common compilation, because what happens is the SOP has been very useful. Otherwise, our problem, when you are dictating a judgment is suppose there are 8, 10 lawyers. You have 10 compilations of case law of different lawyers and it becomes impossible to track each one of those cases. You have to go to, if you have one compilation, it becomes so much easier.
Maybe make a suggestion.
So how do we go about it? How should we give about 2 weeks time for you to prepare the compilation?
One aspect.
But it has already been done.
It is already done?
Yes, in 5 volumes.
Whatever
it's not in the format. It's not in the SOP format.
No, whatever is there, my Lord, on our side is brought in the SOP format, but it's not adequate.
Can we suggest one thing? We'll appoint as usual 2 nodal counsel, one from your side, one from the government side.
That is already
done.
Already done.
Now they will ensure that the compilations are brought in conformity with our SOP.
Yes.
So that once that is done, it will help your convenience also in arguing the matter.
Yes.
So I told the nodal counsel tells me the computers are crashing. The weight of material has been put both sides. Now we need to prune it so that we don't have this problem.
In fact, my lord, the referral order is not part of the compilation. That needs to be incorporated.
All right. Only now one more thing was the sorry.
See your Lordships order of 10th of January,
Yes.
where Lordships have appointed nodal lawyers on both sides, my lord, and formulated the question. They have done a good job, my lord. They have made a compilation in that, my lord, but something needs to be added. So Lordship may give us 2 weeks time for both the parties, my lord. We will inform the nodal lawyer, and anything to be added, thereafter, my lord, we will file out no submissions. We'll give you
And
reference.
written submissions also now in the next 2 weeks so that.
My Lord, can it,
Fair-
my Lord,
fair
can
the
it be
suggestion.
3 weeks? My Lord, can it be
Because
3
the
weeks?
suggestion is,
It would be
as
real.
far as the documents are concerned, the pleadings and the case law, let that be done within 2 weeks because it is more or less ready. Thereafter, please give us at least 1 week time, if not 2 weeks, because the written submissions have to be cross-referenced to those documents. So therefore, we need that lead time. Once we have those volumes which have the documents volume, etc., then the written submissions can be easily.
Can we not shorten it down to 3 weeks? Because if we say 4 weeks,
All right,
today we
fair
are
enough.
on
The 3 plus 1, if your Lordships can say.
Lordship may bifurcate it.
the
The common compilation may be prepared within 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Within 2 weeks thereafter, we will file our written submission giving cross-reference to those.
2 weeks or 1 week? 1 week thereafter, whatever.
File your written submissions within 1 week thereafter, so 2 weeks for the.
3
Yeah,
weeks
3
in
weeks,
all.
yeah, 3
3 weeks in all.
weeks on now.
With your lordship's permission, may I just point
It's there in the SOP. It's there in the SOP.
All can cross-reference.
Now, who are the 2 nodal counsel? They are here.
Mr. Ayush,
Mr. Goswami is there and on your side.
And Diksha Rai.
Diksha Rai, my Lord.
Sir, I am.
And Fuzel,
Ayubi. Mr. Ayubi.
Mr. Ayubi, these are the 2 on our side.
These are good.
So,
There is one thing here.
If your Lordship see 10.
Just,
for the written
Yes,
submission.
definitely.
It's just that once the common compilation is filed, the juniors will have to just put the pages of the common compilation. That's all. That's all that
I
has to
think
be
3
done.
weeks is good enough. my lord.
10 January order of my lord.
Yes.
has-
In terms of the
Only
audit,
one aspect might end. Lord, Mr. Siu Singh is sitting on the center. Mr. Sibal is on the right. But in fact, all of us are on the same side for a change.
Substantially.
clarify that, since your lordships on 10 January have narrowed it down to one question. Today, your lordship has said 6A, whether 6A, section 6A is valid or not. In view of that, it's not now petitioner and respondents, it is those who are challenging 6A and those who are supporting 6A. So they might, some of them might be petitioners, some of them might be respondents, but the question now is really, so all
Yes.
of us, Mr. Sibal, me,
We are supporting
Mr. Trivedi, etc., we are all for either interveners or respondents.
So that's the only point before the constitution.
But that's only one point, which is why the solicitor. So it's
My lord, with your lordship's
That's
permission,
on the merit.
the basic thing is those who are sort of supporting the motion, so to speak, and those who are opposing the motion. We are all on the same side, saying that 6A is validly enacted and within the powers of Parliament, and etc. etc. Now, my learned friend Mr. Diwan, Mr. Hansaria, and all are representing those who are challenging the validity. So that's the broad.
That's why the solicitor said and named me and saying I'm on the right side.
Geographically right side, my lord.
Lord,
Means geographically on the right side.
My lord, there is one request, my lord. I think the lead case has been wrongly shown that Assam public work is not the lead case, my lord. 562 of 2012 is the lead case.
which is
The lordship will kindly pass a
That has
special
been
order
made
to
very
that effect.
So what we'll do is we'll say in re section
In Ray,
6A
yes,
of the.
yes, yes.
That
I-
will be a common, I think.
out with the
SL, just 1 second, 1 second.
That one, it's saying can be the.
Procedural directions
Yes,
are
yes.
issued, procedural directions have already been, have been issued
Ah,
on 10 January 2023. Full stop. The title of the proceeding shall be,
in rain.
as agreed, colon, next line, into invert commas, in re, section 6A of the Citizenship Act 1955. Next. The nodal council, the nodal council appointed by the previous order have prepared a common compilation. Full stop. However, the common compilation needs to be brought in conformity with the circular which was issued by the circular which was issued on 22 August 2023 to streamline the filing of soft copies of common compilation, particularly in matters before the constitution benches of this court. Full stop. The nodal council shall now take steps to ensure that the common compilations are brought in conformity with the circular, and a common index is accordingly prepared for that purpose as well. Full stop. The common compilations shall be, soft copies of the common compilations shall be prepared on or before, after 2 weeks, within 2 weeks, and full stop. Written submissions shall be filed on or before एक सप्ताह or extend सकते हैं.
It shall also be
So
filed.
the common compilation will be filed on or before 3rd October, and written submissions on or before 10th October.
My lord, I wish